No, Jay. Jay.
Oh, there you go, put his glasses on.
Jay, will you come and sit down? Come and sit down. Back to the table, Jay.
What happened to the diet, mate?
Look at this.
She's after something, isn't she? Should we give it Jay's banana?
Oh, he'd have nightmares.
Oh, Jay, your banana fell on the floor.
I have got video evidence that it's Dean's idea.
No. I didn't realise you were recording. You bastard, you stitched me up.
I played in the sand, look.
Oh no, I can't be arsed.
She's not playing in the sand, she's looking for food, she's hungry.
Let's go and sleep.
We're having a lie down. So, 5 pigs at the beach. 1, 2,
Fuck off.
3, and Jay. Wherever he is. Hello, Cheap Dave here. Amanda, he sat down there doing nothing, very lazy, while I make my first Tom Yum Kai. And I'll show you what I've done so far. So here we go. So, I've chopped up, let's have a look. Chopped up some chicken, some tomato, some mushrooms, just stuff like that going in there. That's boiling away to cook. Now, in there, I've got this tin of, hold on, let me turn it round, of this. Now this is a chili paste, and I'm gonna put about half a tablespoon of that chili paste into the Tom Yum to make it a bit warm. Sorry about the camera, I'm trying to watch what I'm doing. Now also, just to make it a bit creamy, so that's the chili paste in there. Obviously it's the ingredients I told you are boiling in water. Now the other ingredient, just to cream it up a bit, is carnation cream. So I've got a tin of that. It's difficult to do this cooking with one hand, and Amanda just sitting down there playing with the phone while I work making food.
Hurt my feet.
She hurt her feet, yeah. So we got the carnation cream, and I put about half a tub of that into there. So that's creamed that up. So I'll give it a stir. And it even looks like Tom Yum. This is going to be very, very delicious, I think, with some rice. So we've got that. Now, when I finish it, I'm going to add a few spring onions and, is that, I don't know what that is, coriander I think, coriander, a few bay leaves, and that will be it. So we'll have a little tasting session later. I'll turn the volume down on that because it's boiling a bit much, so I'll do that now. Oh, wrong one. So we'll turn. Hey. I don't know what I'm doing. So we'll put that on number 3.
Stop.
Oh, we stop it?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's more or less done this. Let's just turn this cooker off. So you just press that there. You go to the bottom. No, you don't. Press that there. Click that so it's on there. And then you just put that down to 0. And that will tell us in a second that the plate is still hot. So be careful. There we go, hot. So when that cools down, that light goes off. And that is my tom yum that I made, Amanda. I made this,
Okay.
not you.
Okay.
What are we going to do with that chicken there?
Oh, in the bone you don't like here.
You should have thrown it in there.
No, in the later go outside in the same bin. Go
Okay,
outside.
okay. So that's it.
Finish.
Tom yum finished. And time to eat whenever I want to eat it. So that's good. Okay, so Amanda's showing me how to make rice now.
Yeah.
So you put water in above the rice.
In the-
Has got to reach the first line on your finger.
Yeah.
And that's if you're making enough rice.
Medium you.
Medium, just before
Medium,
line for me,
yeah.
down to the line for
Yeah.
Amanda.
For the
And,
good light.
and that's how you make,
And die here and take
yeah.
in the electric.
And that is ready to go into another The Electric. Everything's called The Electric.
Die, don't they?
Oh, hold on, you drive for me because I don't have many hands. So she just dry the outside. I make video, I cook rice, I do everything. Okay, so we dry-ish and it goes into our rice cooker, which is here. Okay, so let's throw it in there. And that is it. We just shut the lid
Start.
and hit
45.
start, and it's on 45 minute. So it takes quite a while for the rice to boil up and absorb the water. So we'll check back in 45 minutes. Okay, so just got back from the pool. Rice cooker's gone off. There you go. Perfectly cooked rice. So I learned more how to cook rice.